Welcome to the project Fire Extinguisher Robot. So in this project we are going to have two sections. One, the transmitter section, and the second is the robo section, nothing but the receiver section. So at the transmitter section we are going to have a joystick along with the control buttons interfaced with microcontroller unit. You can see here the microcontroller unit which is interfaced with the control buttons along with joystick. So whenever we give input from the control buttons and the joystick, the controller reads accordingly and displays the respective information on LCD using visual alerts, and using Zigbee wireless module we are going to send the same information to the receiver section, nothing but the robo section. So here we are going to have a display also. So we can see here AV camera which is having a receiver part which is interfaced to display unit. So AV receiver along with antenna is connected to the display part. Now coming to the receiver section, this is the entire robo section. Here we can see the receiver section is also interfaced with two microcontrollers, one 40-pin microcontroller and the second is a 28-pin microcontroller. And this microcontroller is interfaced with first the Zigbee transceiver module. So using this Zigbee transceiver module, the transmitter section, whenever it sends the commands, the Zigbee receiver receives the data and drives the motors accordingly using relay as motor driver. So you can see here relays which are interfaced to the motors and which drives the motors according to the input given by the user. And we can see here using GSM modem we can alert whenever the fire is detected using the fire sensor in the form of SMS messages to the predefined authority numbers. So here we have audible alerts through buzzer alarming unit. This is a buzzer alarming unit and SMS based alerting system, and also it transmits the same Zigbee information to the transmitter section and displays on LCD regarding the fire alert message. So we can see here the camera is mounted on a servo motor and this always rotates in left and right directions by searching for the fire indication. So this is a fire sensor. Whenever we detect any kind of fire, automatically from the camera as well as the alias, nothing but the fire sensor, it sends the information to transmitter section and also alerts in the form of buzzer audible alerts, and through SMS it sends to the predefined number like fire detected as in SMS alerting messages. You can just check the output. And also we can have an extinguisher which is interfaced with DC motor, and the extinguisher can be controlled from the same user transmitter section with the extinguisher on and off buttons. So initially we can check the output. Transmitter section got switched on. Make transmitter section switch on. Next the receiver section got switched on. So receiver section. So you can see here receiver section. So once it gets triggered on, we get LED indicators like power supply has been switched on onto the Zigbee and onto the motherboard of big microcontroller, and here also along with GSM modem. So once GSM modem also gets switched on, as we inserted the SIM, it searches first initially for the signals, and once the signal is get received, the green LED blinks at slower rate. So once the signal has been received, now kit is under ready mode. So you can see here. So as the camera is under on mode, we can see here the servo motor gives the rotation part, and we can set the camera using the tuner. So here we have ultrasonic sensor for obstacle detection and the camera with a rotating mechanism by mounting on servo motor, and here the fire sensor which is searching for the fire within the vicinity and along with the extinguisher. We can see here the robo controlling using joystick. So whenever we give forward, the robo moves to forward direction. Now backward, robo at backward movement, left, right, make forward, give right turn, left, left, forward. So here we can check with the obstacle. So whenever we detect any obstacle, we can see here alarming buzzer alarm gets triggered. Here we can check for the fire. So we can go for fire. the extinguisher switch on. Fire. You can see here, fire once again we can trigger on. So as soon as the fire is detected, so you can see here alerting message being displayed on LCD along with fire alerting SMS message to the predefined number. Fire detected, fire detected. So we can get alerting messages, and here we can on even the extinguisher from the user control, nothing but the transmitter section control. So whenever we press extinguisher on, so you can see here extinguisher motor gets switched on. So you can see here extinguisher making switch on. So we can even control the extinguisher on and off by using control buttons. So here the extinguisher movement can be controlled using DC mounted